Welcome to the Displacement Diary, where I am documenting my trading journey, one trade at a time. This is the weekly review of my 100K FTMO funded challenge. This week I had 5 trading days and all were green, taking my balance to 107.7K. So I'm 77.2% towards passing this phase. So let me walk you through the week. So the week at a glance, the profit for the week is 7.7K, 5 trades and all were green, 65 total trades for the period, and that includes pyramid trades as well that have amplified my profits, a win rate of 58%. And just drawing your attention to the FTMO chart on the right there, which shows the equity curve in an upward trajectory. That's what I need to pass this phase. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So in terms of the breakdown of the daily performance, choose Thursday, the 2nd of April, that's when I started this challenge, 8 trades, New York AM session trades, which worked out well. Tuesday, the 7th of April, 22 trades. So I started off with some losses and then subsequently profited during the day, again pyramiding some trades. Wednesday, 8th of April, 4 trades, fewer trades, and that's what I need, a clean day, not to offer trade. Similarly for Thursday, 5 trades, no offer trading, profit of £515. And that was a good day for me because it was a clean trade. I'll expand into that one in the next slides. And then Friday, 10th of April, 26 trades. Started off with some losses and then subsequently went into profit again with pyramiding when I was in the direction with the market. This is an extract from FTMO, unedited data showing my statistics that I've been talking about. 70% discipline score at the moment, which I need to improve as I move through the challenge. And then 3 of the objectives have already been achieved, and I'm left with meeting the profit target to pass. Now, Thursday trading. This is the C trader chart, the actual trade. So what I saw was the London session range there. My target was taking longs. So the London highs, they were purged and price traded below, creating a fair value gap. And I took a short targeting the London low, and this line is the New York session, the previous day New York PM session. So that was the target there. And it went into good profits, and then I was taken out, and I saw this CB being respected, the consequence and encroachment. So I attempted another short targeting this sell side liquidity, but that didn't work. And when it was inverted and retested, I was then in line with the long term, with the higher time frame bias. So I took a long on that bullish order block. So on this is the 5-minute chart on the left, and then on the right there the candle overlay that's showing the 15-minute chart. So you notice that there was a bullish order block there that was formed. So I then took longs, targeting the stops that were just above this previous day's New York PM session high. And then I wanted a low-hanging fruit since I had experienced some losses earlier on. These were five, the lots were 5 here on the short attempts, and then 10 lots on the longs. So that worked out well for me. Now let's break down the Friday trade. So the winning thesis for the day that profited me was a weekly page and referred target being reached, which is that one, and then creating a turtle soup with displacement there, and then being a TGIF Friday, then taking it all the way down to the regular trading hour CE. That was the winning trade. So let's look at the attempts that I did initially. So I saw a displacement up and downward displacement, the first presented fair value gap being respected, and then the sell side liquidity stop rate there happened. And when this suspension block in aqua, that suspension block was suspended, was inverted, I then took a long targeting higher up there. Initially, I was targeting that, the page and referred target. So price went to the first presented fair value gap and then reversed on me and took me out. And then I saw again price going back and closing above that suspension block. And again, I attempted 2 trades. You can see that there's a pyramid there after the first entry, targeting the buy side liquidity. And the market came back and took these. They were now relative equal low, so I was taken out. So when these were taken out, I thought I would attempt now the market would now move towards the target. So I attempted another set of longs. Again, you can see the pyramid, and then again I was taken out. Then I saw this bullish displacement, fair value gap being formed there, and I took multiple trades pyramided. You can see as price was going up, I was pyramiding, and then another pyramid there, another pyramid there. This was reclaimed the bullish suspension block, and my target, I was now targeting, there was a buy side liquidity which was above there for the on the daily chart. There was a swing high on the daily chart. That's what I was targeting, and price reached the weekly page and referred target, and that's where I should have taken the profits, but it reversed. I was then taken out in stop profit when I saw this BC being respected to the pip, and I attempted another set of longs towards the swing high on the daily chart, and that went into some good profits beyond the page and referred target. And I should have taken that as a low hanging fruit target, but I didn't, and then was stopped in profit. At that point, I realized that the TGIF was now in play with that sharp displacement, CB with IO Fed, market structure shift, and then a bullish order block inverted. I then took aggressive page and referred shorts for TGIF, and this time round I was targeting a low hanging fruit, which was the regular trading hours gap CE, which was in confluence with this law. I did not want to take the target to this sell side liquidity just in case I missed that as well, and left profits on the table. So this then worked out very well. The shorts netted 4.6, and then with the losses that I had encountered, the net profit for the day was 2.3. So there was quite some number of lessons to be learned there, which I'm now going to cover. So the first thing to take away from this week is the higher time frame structure is the highest instruction. So after the weekly page and refer target had been reached and price closed below, uh, that was leading to a turtle soup. Uh, the higher time frame overrides everything that's on the lower time frame thesis. So the new rule is that no entries above a broken weekly target, a weekly level. So that's number one. Then number two, TGIF weekly reversal is a real edge. So on Friday, during the London close shorts, um, TGIF was forming with a page range referred target having been met, and a 1 minute displacement, sharp displacement was formed with a market structure shift. So that performed well, that model performed well, and therefore it is something that I should be watching out for on Fridays as a primary setup. The third one is two strikes and the thesis is dead. So four long attempts clustered on Friday was too many. And the new rule is that a maximum of two failed attempts on any directional thesis, then I should step back and reassess. And then the final takeaway, sizing down on counter narrative trades. So on Thursday, I took 5 lots on shorts, which was against the bullish weekly bias, and then 10 lots when I was taking the longs, and that was correct. So counter trend trades carry less conviction, and therefore a smaller size is discipline, not a weakness. So, going into next week, what is the plan? Uh, the target is to reach a profit of 2,282 to pass the challenge. I've already managed to tick the other 3 objectives for the challenge, and I'm just left with the profit target. So, I'm not going to change anything that I've been doing, maintaining the same things that have been working. Not worrying about the profit target of 2.2k, but just following my process over the outcome, not worrying about the money, just waiting patiently for clean setups that meet my criteria, using the right size for the trades, making sure that I don't tilt and eat into the profits from last week, and just waiting for my sweet spots, which are the New York AM kill zone or the London close. Maximum 2 entries per thesis, no FOMO, and just letting the market come to me. So just to conclude, this week was a good week. 5 green days, one setup at a time, and I'll be documenting the journey as I go, one trade at a time. And going into next week, it's just thinking of process over outcome. And I'll see you in the next session. If you enjoyed this content and you found it useful, please subscribe so that you can get the weekly analysis that I'll be providing, and also I'll be giving out uh, the view of the week ahead, how I'm going to approach the week based on the bias that I come up with. Thank you.